Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Eluosin Vanity Makeup Mirror with lights. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get it out of the box, comes nicely packaged with some attachments, so just be aware of what they are. First and foremost, this is going to be your stand for it. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So be aware that we want to kind of pop this open in the back here. And you can load it with AAA batteries, or you can power it, and I'm hoping you can just power it via USB-C cable. So we'll take it from there on that and see if we can test that out. But in the meantime, we're going to just go ahead and this is a rotatable, so you can kind of go different directions, but we're going to go ahead and try and pop this in to place, like so. And there it is. There's the USB-C charging. Now, I'm hoping that it just charges up and it doesn't require to stay lit up. We'll test that out, but from there, you're just gonna open this up. Comes well packaged, like I said, well protected. So trying not to get my camera into the picture too much. We're just gonna peel these off. This is gonna be a 2X, 3X, and then of course on here we have a 10X mirror as well. That allows you to kind of get into the little tiny places. So we're going to just kind of crack that right over there. So let me peel this all off. All right, so I'm going to just kind of show you. I have it plugged into a little battery pack. It does require power. It's going to require a full plug into USB-C or USB-A to USB-C power, and so you're just going to turn it on by pressing the button. If you want to adjust the level of lighting, you're just going to hold, and hoping you can see that it's dimming out and getting brighter. One of the considerations is it does come with this 10X mirror, but you can kind of attach that, but you're going to have to detach it every single time when you close that up, so be aware of that. So we are going to require some power for that. So we're just going to have to plug in the batteries. And then you do have a little tray right here, which is nice. As you can see, the light's on there. So it will require the 4 batteries. And you will need to this will heat up. So you'll kind of need to let the mirror cool off before storing it. But overall, it's a good look. The mirror capabilities are standard. Try and show you the differences. So you can kind of see that it's a bigger light on the left here. That's standard on the right. And then, of course, you'll just plug that on, and that'll zoom in. So not too bad. So good quality, really nice light. It's just going to need some 4 batteries, AAA batteries to operate. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.